everybody, so today I'm going to tell you all about this heatless air curler. I just received it the other day and I'm going to use it for the very first time. You noticed my hair? It's a disaster. It's always so frizzy and it's naturally curly, wavy, but it's just a disaster. It's so hard to do anything with this. So I'm hoping that it'll just be, this will work and it'll be like smoother waves or smoother curls. So hoping. I'm just gonna get my hair damp first. Oh, I gotta hold this in place with the butterfly clip. Okay, that seems pretty secure. Okay, now I am supposed to take all of this hair and wrap it around here, so in sections. I'll start with this, maybe a little bit more. We'll see how this goes. Feels so uncoordinated right now. So then they give you a scrunchie to hold it in place. Yeah, okay, that's it. Okay, there's one side. This can actually work for my hair, then it can work for anybody's hair. So once it's in place, you can remove the butterfly clip. Now I just wait, and I'll be back. Hey, I'm back. It's been 3 hours, so now it's time for the big reveal. So then we just go like that. Pretty good considering it's the kind of hair I have, which is really coarse and frizzy and horrible. So, yeah, there you go. You be the judge. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy discovering hidden gems on Amazon and want to see more product reviews, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more amazing Amazon finds.